I was trying to find a way to extract data from PDF, and if I watch this video from Leila Garani, you can actually import PDF data just by clicking on data and import to source. This doesn't work on the Android and iOS versions. It's on the tablet mode, in the DeX mode. You do need the subscription. On the small phone screen, you don't need it. The data I've entered here, I used the small screen, and I did make some workaround. So I used a PDF document. I opened it on the small phone screen, made a screenshot, scaled it a little bit bigger, then I cut the information out that I needed, saved the screenshot, and then I went to Excel. As Excel has the option to scan data. This is the same phone, it's just a small screen. If you open it, you click down below on image to data, but you can also import it. You click on the image, import the image, and with luck, everything is right on the first try. I had several different tries to get it all right, but in this case, it's working. So you have all the information from the PDF document, but it's scanned. So this is not supposed to be the data option that's supposed to be there. Does not work on Android. The issue is also with the applications of PDF to Excel from the storage. It needs to be online. If you don't want to have your documents online, you have to look at the way how you can actually just copy and paste the information into your documents. On Android, if you copy the data and try to paste it into a spreadsheet, it's just copied that way. So if you wanted to have it like that, we need a different way to find it. This is now on the iPad, and if you look at the options we have, the data option is not there. I don't have the subscription. If we go to the file manager, copy some columns, not sure why the file manager copies different. But if you go to numbers, we can just copy with the command V the data, and in this case all columns are copied. But if I take all of it and copy it also again into numbers, it just goes down into one column, and it does not work. Sometimes if you can mark and copy, you can use OpenOffice, and this is OpenOffice for Android. I don't know how to pronounce the name. And the Android is Android OpenOffice. It's a quite low version actually, but you can also go and have the paste special. Space special does not work on the X version for Android, but it still works on Android OpenOffice and on Calligra. This just was a small tool to copy. This highlights Pro just wants a subscription to scan, and I don't want to have subscription that look at the amount of subscriptions you have to get your things done. Foxy PDF also does not work anymore as it was. WPS also it doesn't copy, so the different versions of the spreadsheets that all have the same issue. We can't get it done without a subscription on iOS, either with Excel or with the other program, and you have to transfer your data to the server. And if you don't want to have your documents in the cloud, we need to find a different version. But we have the Linux for DeX, or with Android X and Terminus. We just start Ubuntu and go into it with the VNC server. Open the VNC server, and we do have our Linux desktop available. And here, of course, we go straight to try to open LibreOffice, and the documents are prepared already on the Linux here. You open the files with Ocular. LibreOffice not yet opened. Now it's open. We open this with Ocular, the default application, and in Ocular you can find different options to get the job done. So let's middle click or right click to maximize, and here we go to select table selection, and we mark. Then we go to the right place to mark the columns, 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one, and we can copy all the data, go to LibreOffice and paste special. I'm not sure Control V doesn't work, so I have to click on this one, as I want the German document, but the source is with not with decimal comma. We choose English in this case, and we get the decimal comma here, and all the data we can go on. This is actually the best way at the moment to get it done without any subscription, without sending data to the server. So it's middle click and right click, left click, and this document was created on the iPad mini, and if we choose area selection, we get the same results with that we had seen in the numbers on iOS. It all got copied into one column, and you can see it here. We copy there, paste specials options, but it doesn't work. So we also have definitely to use the table selection, but the response is quite slow. I already clicked the fourth time, but now the fifth time, and no, it's not coming. So I've clicked again. So too many applications opened, then it gets slow. But again, you get the job done. Just paste here, and in this case we don't choose a different language setting because it was all decimal comma. And yeah, we have the data. Now we can save, and that's it. Save and close.